Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry in New Orleans, and today I'm going to video the Christmas boat parade. So first let me show you just where it's located, where the boats are coming from. And the parade will be starting right at the New Canal Lighthouse right here. And I'm also going to do a video about that Canal Lighthouse and the other things around it. And just past the lighthouse, right there is a yacht club. That building is the center of the yacht club, and all the boats are docked just past there. And I suspect that's where all the boats will be coming from, the yacht club there. This is Lake Pontchartrain, and they have a nice grassy park here. And they've put up these fences, I guess just for the boat parade. We'll see later what's going to be going on past that fence. And the lake goes a long way here with a paved walkway right beside it. The parade starts at 5:30, which is just before sunset. And I got here really early so I can make sure I got a good parking spot for my motorhome, which is right beside this building. That whole lot there is some kind of a park, although there's not many park facilities. I'd actually like to just stay here all night since I'm here, but I guess that's not going to happen. Looks like they have people touring the lighthouse tonight. And people are really starting to line up, waiting for the parade. You can see them way down there. Well, here comes the first ones. Nice colors. Got the waves kicking up tonight. And this looks like there's Santa and his sleigh and his reindeers. How about that? Not very colorful, but a whole lot of lights on that one there. And they got a light show going here. Looks kind of like a flying saucer or something, huh? I don't know what that's supposed to be. I think this one didn't try quite hard enough. Dark blue lights at night don't show up quite as well. There's a nice one. This guy's got a message for us. That one and this one have turned around and come back close to shore. Can't quite make out what that's supposed to be. There's the Christmas tree boat coming back. Oh, I like the reflection it makes in the water there. Oh, that's kind of nice. There's the yacht club. Well, they're not coming out real fast. There's not as many as I thought there would be. think this is a new one coming out. You can see the people on it there. Oh, that one's in the way. See what they're doing. I'm not sure if I saw that one before. Look at all those colors. I think they got a party going on there. That may be a new one I haven't seen. Let me zoom in a bit. Don't see anybody. Now this is a new one with the snowman. I guess they're having fun. Oh, you can see right through the snowman. There's another Santa. By the way, I like that they're calling it a Christmas parade and not a generic holiday parade. Call it what it is, folks. That's what I say. Well, folks, I think this is about it. I haven't seen any new ones coming out. And most of them did a pretty good job decorating their boats. There's another version of Santa's sleigh and his reindeer. Well, if you're ever in New Orleans in mid-December, check it out, folks. Good day.